What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Woo! It is an incredible day to be back on the tube. Today we are out here at MBP's garage. If you guys don't know who that is, that's ModdedByPhil, the guy that tuned the GX. But we're not tuning the car today. We're actually installing Spindle Gusset. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, let me show you guys real quick. All right, so what I have right here is the spindle with ModdedByPhil's Spindle Gusset. So pretty much this is what holds the wheel hub, the upper control arm, and the lower control arm. And the reason why you want to reinforce the spindle is because as you add more weight onto your rig, just like mine, I mean even just tires and Rocksliders and stuff like that, you definitely want to reinforce the spindle, because when you're out on the trail and if you accidentally hit a rock pretty hard, that impact could cause a catastrophic failure on your spindle. I mean, as you can see, it's so skinny right here, because you never know, sometimes you just get dusted out by the person in front of you, or you're just not paying attention and you can smack something and then you can cause this to fail. And once this fails, man, it's going to be pretty hard to find a spindle out there on the trail. So let me show you guys what a finished product look like. So this is pretty much the front side right here. As you can see, that's ModdedByPhil's logo right here. As you can see, all the holes lined up. This was laser cut to perfection, so everything fit really well. And man, Phil can get down on the welds. So this is the front side, and this is a little gusset right here just to add more reinforcements to make it stronger. And then I'm gonna flip it to the back side. And as you can see, look how skinny that is. Well, Phil found out that my wheel bearings are going bad, so this would be a great time to do your wheel bearings. I mean, I just hit 180,000 miles on it, and you guys haven't done the wheel bearings yet. Definitely do it, because I think one of the homegirls, Sabrina, I think 470, if you guys don't follow her, I think her wheel bearings failed and she was stranded for a little bit and she didn't have a rig for a while, but I think now she's good. So it'll be a great time to double as doing your wheel bearing, because you're going to take it all out anyways. And as you can see, I did buy some wheel bearings right here. I got these at yodabearing.com. They're an OEM wheel bearing, and it was about 300 bucks for a pair. They ship very fast. I ordered this on Tuesday, now it's Friday, and it got here Friday morning. So shout outs to them for the quick shipping. Be sure to buy this oil seal right here. Here's the part number. This pretty much goes in the back of I think the knuckle, and when you buy the hub from Yoda Bearings, it doesn't come with this seal, so be sure to buy this. Here's the part number right here so you guys can get a good look. It's not really in stock at a lot of Toyota places, so you might just need to order online and be ahead of the game, you know. So you guys, when you guys come over here, you guys are ready, prepared, ready to go. If you guys are in SoCal, be sure to hit up Phil and get your Spindle Gussets done, and probably do your wheel bearing too. So just order the wheel bearing and come over here, ask them to do the Spindle Gussets and get it both done, you know, because I didn't even realize my wheel bearing was going bad. Phil also does it all too. If you guys need a lift or anything like that, King's or Fox Shocks suspensions, I mean, I think he got it covered. Just hit him up for the install, do the Spindle Gusset, get the tune, just bless your rig. But while I'm just standing here, look what I just found on this floor right here. Woo! It is the blue RW Monoblock Ford R7S. Pretty much the same model that I had, but in blue. Did I do well with going bronze on white, or should I have went blue? Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Man, yeah, you can see how skinny that is. I mean, if you guys hit a rock pretty hard on the trails, this looks like it will definitely fail. How often do you see a spare spindle on the trails, Phil? Never. Never, exactly. So 100% come to Phil and do your Spindle Gussets. We already started on this side, but we found out the wheel bearing was going bad, so we still have it complete, but we got to redo. We got to take this out again to do the wheel bearing. But this is what the Spindle Gusset looks like. I mean, it looks way tougher, right? Let me know what you guys think. All right, so we just pulled out the first spindle, and as you can see, the seals are pretty bad. We got to check to see if this bearing was bad. To figure out to see if your bearings are bad, just spin it and see if it's smooth. If it's like a little notchy, then you know the bearings are bad. The other side was bad for sure, so that one's gonna get replaced, but might as well do this one since I bought a pair, and just gives you a better peace of mind and keep your rig nice and healthy. So we're gonna go ahead and spin it to see if it's gritty.
See how it's hard?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, needs service. Damn, thanks, Phil. You saved my life.
Dude, that one's like really going bad.
It was gonna be fucked?
Yeah, because you see how hard it is to spin when you stop?
Yeah. See? Oh, yeah. I'm putting just a little bit of pressure. I have to add a little bit extra torque. Let's get the MBP Tune. Boom! So maybe without the tune, I won't be able to spin these. So, good thing we caught that and we got the new wheel bearing. Most likely, if you have this much miles, you should probably change your wheel bearings. I mean, I feel like this is one of the maintenance that people kind of overlook, right? Mm-hmm. Well, this is a little comparison. This is the old one. This is the new one. Oh my goodness, that looks like sheesh. Sheesh. And then, I mean, look how skinny that is. Alrighty, here it is. Bam! Everything is intact, ready for the wheels to go back on, but I wanted you guys to get one last good look how it is. Man, I definitely feel a lot more confident now on the trails. And ModdedByPhil has it available now at his place, so be sure to hit him up, book an appointment, come through. If you guys need any other installs like lift, he got you covered on that. Alrighty, so we pretty much got one side done. We didn't have enough time to finish the other side, but I'm pretty happy with the way it is. I mean, I definitely feel a lot more confident now because I'm gonna be adding a lot more weight within the next couple months, and I have one coming up very, very soon. Be sure to look out for that next video because, ooh, it's gonna be a banger. I'm not gonna tell you too much. I like to give a huge shout outs to Phil for working on the rig. I mean, he did an incredible job and he's very, very knowledgeable in this stuff. So if you guys need to build your stuff, I mean, be sure to come to him and get your installs done. And again, his IG is going to be linked in the description below. Be sure to just give him a follow at least. And follow my socials too. I post some pretty decent, cool B-rolls. I mean, I should be posting those type of B-rolls on YouTube, but it's kind of hard doing both. But I will try to incorporate more of that cinematic feel to my videos, but not in this video. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.